In this video, we're going to show you how to prepare for the workshop. As you know, R&D tax relief is all about rewarding innovative activities. In advance of the workshop, we really need you to start thinking about your projects, both the ones that you know qualify and those that you think will potentially qualify. Remembering that the definition of R&D tax isn't limited to just sophisticated blue sky thinking. At any one point, your company is able to make an R&D tax claim for its 2 previous financial periods. As a general guide, write a list of the most technically challenging projects that you and your team have had to resolve. This should include projects that have failed. Remember, R&D is often embedded within your commercial projects and is not just limited to your internal development work. A great indication of R&D activities within software development is when experienced coders conduct experimental development work to work out if a desired outcome can be achieved when there's no off-the-shelf solution available to them. We prefer projects that contain a high degree of customization over projects where you are simply configuring known technologies. Machine learning, AI, and IoT-based development are hot topics within your industry, and of course, these are likely to qualify. However, projects which contain large, complex data sets or challenging integrations are also likely to qualify, such as reconfiguring and refactoring databases, developing integrations between disparate systems where public knowledge is unavailable, or due to breaking changes as part of updates. Lastly, if you are developing enhanced functionality in web pages and/or mobile applications for lean operations, they will certainly warrant further discussion. To help frame our conversations at the workshop, put your ideas down in the workshop preparation document. Finance team, great news. All we need from you is a list of all of your employees. Again, put these down in the workshop preparation document. Please don't spend more than half an hour on these tasks, and if at any point you need some inspiration, there are loads of case studies and examples on our website. Or of course, pick up the phone and we'd be happy to help you.